when you want to navigate on this work area here, it's artboard, you can hold control. If you scroll the mouse, it's going up and down. I don't like that. Okay, I want to scroll the mouse to zoom in and out. For doing that, by default, you have to hold control and zoom in and out, something like this. For pan, you have to hold space bar. For pan, you have to hold space and left click to pan. For doing that, you can use this H, just panning, and with this, just zoom. You can see with click and drag, you can zoom in and out to the left and right. So these tools are not useful. Just select that and holding space and scroll the mouse. For changing that, you can go to the edit and the setting. In a tool, turn on use mouse wheel to zoom. I like it. And then close. And now you can see with scrolling the mouse, you can zoom. Another thing here, another way to zooming is a navigator box. You can zoom in and you can see we have a box here that with click and drag, you can see you can move it at anywhere in the canvas. You can zoom more. You can see with that you can navigate. See, it's useful because you see whole image, and with this click and drag this box, you can zoom inside of that. So you can make it again. And nice. This is simple navigation in this software. It is also in pixel, layout, and slice. They're the same.